vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn, and on this channel we get into a ton of skin reviews, beauty reviews, health tips, hauls, and just like the list really just goes on. So if you love any of that stuff, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the Vibe Squad. So I'm here with a special video. I recently had a birthday, and one of my friends gifted me this gorgeous item, and I am here to share it with you guys today. So let's get straight into today's video. I am showcasing none other than the Mason candle. This is the Baccarat Rouge 540, but this is the candle, not the perfume. The perfume is gorgeous. If you guys love the perfume, you can already guess that the candle, oh yeah, the candle is gonna be that girl as well. Okay, so I love the packaging. This is the box that it came in. When I received this in the mail, it was like gifted and packaged up beautifully. I can put the TikTok of the unboxing, the full unboxing right here. Follow me on TikTok so that we can go live together soon. On the box it says Baccarat Rouge 540, the bougie perfume. I love when scents smell so good that they can also be home scents as well. Like, that's really hard to do, but this right here, gorgeous. So when you open the box, you get the lid right here, which is this gold straightforward lid for the candle. So this candle is 9.8 ounce candle, so it's a decent size, strong. Just by opening the candle, the scent is just like flows all throughout the house without me even lighting it. So imagine it being lit. You do not need to have this on for long whatsoever. Like, again, I have not lit this candle yet at all, so it is brand new. Again, I love the gorgeous packaging. This is like cement and it's white, and I absolutely love that. I love cemented things. So it's pretty heavy, which, you know, for the price, it should be heavy. The price of this candle is $110. So just like the perfume, this candle has the floral, the amber, that woodiness. It has the fragrance keynotes of jasmine, saffron, and cedarwood, so exactly like the perfume. And I just never would have thought of this as a home scent because it smells so good on the body. But as you guys know, when you spray perfumes on the body, it smells different sometimes. This candle, for me, I pick up so much of that woodiness, and I love that for a home scent. I just love woody, the undertones of musk. I'd rather smell that than like super fruity. So this is a gorgeous candle, and I am so excited to burn it through my house. I haven't burned it yet, so I don't know just how long this whole candle will last, but I am happy to report back if you want me to. I think this is a beautiful gift to gift to anybody. Imagine that it will last quite some time, seeing as like the price point, but two, the scent itself is so strong. So like, you're not gonna want to burn this all day long. I think you're gonna just burn it for a little bit, get that initial scent in the house, and then blow it out, and I'm sure it still will roam throughout the house. Again, I leave this on my banister back here, and I leave it with the top off. So again, this is with the lid on, and it's just so cute. It matches my home perfectly. A lot of the things in my home are dark, they're black. We have some brushed golds, we have the cement. So I don't know how my friend knew, but she really did that. So shout out to my friend Lauren. I love you so much. Thank you for this birthday gift. It was beautiful. Y'all, I really have some of like the best friends I could ever ask for. I'm not expecting anything. These people just show up at just like all the right times, all the time, and I love the support that they have for me, and the support that I have for them. So if you're interested in picking this up, I highly recommend. I think it is a beautiful gift to give to anyone, or just to have for yourself in your own house. So this was a quick little video. Just wanted to do something a little bit different. I have a lot of different home stuff. If you guys want to see that, I'm happy to start making videos on that. If you love this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, share this video with any and everyone. Turn on post notification bells, because listen, I'm going to be coming, and I'm trying to come with more stuff more often, but either way, you want to stay locked in as to when I do post things up. So again, I really love y'all. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next vibe video. Bye. Also, girl, the blush, wait, not even just the blush, the makeup is giving and doing what it needs to do. Okay.